welcome back to Monday Money in a Minute. This week I thought we'd cover off the difference between offset and redraw. A lot of people get these things confused. They are two different things, but they kind of have the same effect. When the banks calculate how much interest you're going to pay, they calculate it on the daily balance. So the overnight balance, each night they work out how much interest that is for that day, and then they charge it to you at the end of the month. Now, there's two things you can do to pay less interest. One, of course, is to have a cheap interest rate, but we're not going to cover that here. But the other one is to have a lower loan amount. Now, you can do that by two ways. You can either pay extra money into the loan, and there's some strategies that you can use for that as well, and I'll cover those another time. Or you can put money into an offset account. So an offset account is a bank account that's attached to your loan. Basically, how it works is that if your loan was, say, $200,000, and you've got $50,000 sitting in an offset account, then when they work out the interest that you're going to pay, they call it $150,000. 200 minus the 50 that you've got in your bank account, your balance, theoretical balance, is now $150,000, and the interest is charged on $150,000. So you pay less interest. Now, in the offset account, that money is still available to you, so you can take it back out and use it for other things. Of course, if you do that, your theoretical balance will go back up, and you'll pay more interest. So the more money you've got in your offset account for the longest period of time means you pay less interest, which means more of your repayments are going off, paying off your loan even further. So that's how offset works in your favour. Redraw is where you put the money actually into the loan. So you paid over and above your minimum payment, and that money accumulates inside your loan as redraw. Redraw implying that you can call it back again, redraw it back from the loan. So offset is where the money is in an account that's linked to your loan. Redraw is where the money is actually in the loan itself. Both give you a lower theoretical balance, so you pay less interest. So they're both a benefit, but depending on your circumstances as to whether redraw or offset is best for you. Talk to your broker, make sure that you're across the reasons why you might have one or the other, or both. A lot of loans offer you the option of having redraw and offset, and that can be a good option too. So hopefully that helps with that. There's some other strategies that you need to watch out for around the tax implication with that, so talk to your accountant. But they are two different things, offset and redraw. Hope that helps. Talk to you next time.